Daily use routine sentences. I wake up 5:00 in the morning. I turn off alarm. I get down bed. I made my bed. I drink a glass warm water before brush. I brush my teeth. I am taking shower. I get dress. I am combing my hair. I am making coffee. I am drinking coffee. I am cooking breakfast. I am eating breakfast. I am drinking water. I am preparing my lunchbox. I am getting ready to office. I am applying makeup. I am driving a car. I am doing exercise. I am riding bicycle. I am running. I am walking. I am going to office. I am getting car. I am eating fruits. I am eating snacks. I am washing my hands. I am washing dishes. I am sweeping the floor. I am mopping the floor. I am cleaning the windows. I am doing laundry. I am relaxing time. I take a nap for a while. I am playing with my pet. I am feeding food my pet. We are pampering baby. Tea pouring. I am picking fruits.